Yo, what is up, guys? It's Lolzy Plays here. Today we're making a version of how you sneeze if you're a toddler, a kid, teen, an adult, or an old person. So first we'll start with the baby. Let's go. Achoo! Kid. Achoo! That was nasty. How you sneeze as a teen? Achoo! How you sneeze as a mom? Achoo! Finally, how you sneeze as a dad? Achoo!